Just in at Noteboom RV in Harrisburg, South Dakota is a 2018 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 312QBUD. Pass-through storage here. This does also include electric power stab jacks as well. Do have a solar powered awning, LED lighting. And as you can see towards the back here, this does include an outdoor kitchen area, outdoor fridge, some extra storage, sink, really nice backsplash here in this unit as well. Then around the back, do have a grill and of course the spare tire. But let's go ahead and take a step inside the Salem Hemisphere. We are now inside the pre-owned 2018 Salem Hemisphere. We'll give you a tour of the inside here. Nice entertainment center with some extra cabinet storage in the front here. Over here we have a nice leather couch, two-person love seat there, with some additional storage above that as well. Do have a four-person booth dinette. Additional storage under both of the benches there. And then in the kitchen we do have quite a bit of pantry storage here. 3 drawers off to the side of the fridge. And some shelf pantry there. Whirlpool appliance. Refrigerator, freezer combo there. 3-burner stove. Microwave, and we do have some additional storage up top there as well. Really nice backsplash in this unit. Residential size sink. And that is the kitchen, but let's take a step back and we'll head on into the bathroom here. Inside the bathroom here, you can see we do have another entrance located right next to the outdoor kitchen that you saw earlier. Standard foot flush toilet. Nice kitchen sink here. It is a bathtub and shower combo. Big skylight in the shower. And then we do have a medicine cabinet over here as well. But let's take a step into the bunkhouse in this unit here. Located just outside the bunkhouse, we do have some more storage here, a couple shelves there, as well as some hanging storage with an additional mirror in the cab as well. But we're going to step right on into the bunkhouse here. We do get top bunks on both sides, additional storage and entertainment above the left-hand side bunkhouse. Over here we do have a sofa sleeper. It does convert to a bed as well, with some additional pull-out storage below that. And lastly, top bunks, like I said, on both sides. Alright, last and certainly not least, the master bedroom area. Storage on both sides and on the top as well. Queen bed in this one here. And again, this is the 2018 Salem Hemisphere, available now at Noteboom RV and NoteboomRV.com.